All right, here we go. We had a question posted about cumulative frequency. This is from the practice test, and it's question C. I think everyone probably did okay with the max, the min, the range, the class width. He told you how many classes we wanted to use right here, so that was good. Then we had the actual data display, and this is the question from the practice test, and this right here is the actual solution of question 5. So you can see we set the limits with 11 different classes. We set the class boundaries. Class boundaries are always, that one decimal place smaller and one decimal place bigger. Then we tally how many we had in the class. That gives us our frequency, which is 3. Our cumulative frequency is nothing more than your accumulation starting from the first class all the way to the end. So what you'll notice here is excuse me, sorry about that. Let me grab my pen. What you're going to notice, actually, let's use my line. I'm going to hit pause for a second, excuse me. Okay, so here we go. So the whole idea of what's going on here is I have 3 plus 1 gives me 4. 4 plus 3 gives me 7. 7 plus 5 gives me 12. 12 plus 6 gives me 18. And it just continues on down the chart just like that. That's how I get my cumulative frequency. If there are any other questions here, as far as what's going on, it's the same idea. I have a total of 50 items that we're discussing here. Okay, 50 numbers. So my percentages is nothing more than, if I want to find my percent, that's just the number divided by the total, or the part of the whole. And then the cumulative frequency would be the same idea. So this 8% comes from taking the 4 and dividing it by 50. This 24% comes from taking the 12. Oops, my bad. Let me go back. Let me take that statement away for 1 second. This right here, this 8% comes from taking, basically my 6 plus my 2, and that gives me 8. And my 8 plus my 6, so I get my 6 plus my 2 gives me my 8. My 8 plus my 6 gives me 14. My 14 plus my 10 gives me 24, and so forth and so on. Alright. Hope that helps cumulative frequency. I'm working on the other videos. It's going to take me a minute. I apologize. I was too tired last night to do this work, and I need to run off to my real job now, and it's about 6:20. So I will get this stuff posted, and please just come back and look for it. Thank you very much.